In 2 minutes, we ripped samples off Aleph and Jon Casey drum loops, adding one third-party effect to come up with this. We start by finding whichever kick and snare catches our ear.
Basic pattern.
We cut the kick short for a little double tap. We copy the kick over, holding shift to stretch the clip a few beats with warp. We change the mode to texture and reverse the clip, then trimming the clip short just before the next bar. Adjusting the fade so it slides in. We duplicate the first 2 bars and start tweaking details in individual clips. For example, we pitch the last reverse clip down 6 semitones. We automate the pitch transposition to -12 semitones in the first reverse clip we made.
Other stuff.
We go back to the drum loops, yanking a hi-hat and clap. We make a simple 1-bar pattern, joining them into one clip for easy pitch automation. We copy the same hats at the end, compress the audio file, and switch warp mode to texture. We duplicate the audio file a few times and then readjust the pitch envelopes on a couple clips. We insert the clap on every other snare and adjust to a lower volume. We move the reverse kick to its own track to make it easier to sidechain later.
Probably should have done that first.
Group some of the drum tracks with Command or Control-G and add Echobode. They have legit presets. Jet Flanger is gold. There are quite a few settings, but we only need to focus on delay, feedback, and mix knobs. Set the delay to taste and automate the mix knob live or just draw it in. Add another Echobode using the preset Spring Verb, repeating the automation process with the mix knob so we end up with something like this. Repeat the same trick with automated stack Echobodes on anything. Don't just stop at 2. Throw 5 on that shit.